Pull up and welcome back. Welcome back to Your Health Light, Dr. Williams-Singh. These days we're so impacted with life, the daily routine, the daily regimen, and the environment is still, it remains the same. We are saying we have a movement back to nature. Back to nature means you are going to encourage yourself to get back to nature in your environment, whether you're at a place where you can go hiking, walking, listening to the birds, going for a swim. We're going back to nature, everybody. Could you join us, please? Until the next video, come back for the next video here at Your Health Light.